Florida is in serious trouble. Eerie videos show black SUVs urging people to evacuate immediately. Traffic out of Tampa Bay is stacked, while the roads in are nearly empty. The Tampa mayor isn't holding back, saying if you stay in evacuation areas, you're going to die.
And I can say without any dramatization whatsoever, if you choose to stay in one of those evacuation areas, you're going to die.
With winds now reaching 180 miles per hour, Hurricane Milton has become the fifth most intense Atlantic hurricane ever recorded. Stay safe, and I'll keep you updated.